create this big supporting wave to make a huge impact on this global KNUST Day of Giving. No donation is too small. Thanks so very much, and do stay blessed for deciding to give to support the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. KNUST Day of Giving. Please do not be left out. Hashtag KNUST Day of Giving. Thank you.
Wow. Good afternoon to everyone. Please, my audience and my online viewers, everyone, contestants, participating schools, a lovely good afternoon. Can I hear a resounding round of applause from the audience? Ladies and gentlemen, teachers and all our eager participants, a warm welcome to the 5th edition of the Junior Science and Maths Quiz and the 3rd contest for the 2nd day of the ACCRA contest in the regional qualifiers. This afternoon, we are ready to kick off the 3rd and final contest of the day in our exciting Junior Science and Maths Quiz competition. I can already feel the energy, and the energy in the room has been incredible. We should all know that this competition is not just about answering questions, it's about inspiring curiosity, encouraging problem solving, and nurturing the skills that will shape the future. Let us cheer on these young, enthusiastic minds as they showcase their brilliance, teamwork, and determination in this exciting journey of learning. Get ready for an afternoon of fun, discovery, celebration of knowledge. Best of luck to all our contestants, and may the best team win. Dear viewers, dear supporters, dear organizers, this quiz is proudly brought to you by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology in collaboration with Ghana Education Service and DEXT Technologies. And because this quiz has been hosted by KNUST, we appreciate our Vice Chancellor, Professor Mrs. Rita Akosua-Addison, for her continuous support. We also recognize and appreciate the leadership and the chair of the Junior Science and Maths Quiz Board, Prof. Kwesi Preko, and all the board members. Let me also salute the head of the various schools that are competing in this year's contest. Thank you for allowing your students to train and partake in this contest. I want to extend a round of applause to the dedicated teachers who have spent time in preparing their contestants for the contest. You have all done a yeoman's job. Please, a round of applause to our teachers for us. The audience help us with that. Finally, I want to salute our gallant students who are proudly representing their schools this afternoon in the competition. You have all prepared. You have done your best. Come and give out your best. And at the end of the day, let the best school prevail. Please remember that this contest is also sponsored by a few companies and some individuals. And therefore, I will take some time to also acknowledge. We want to extend our heartfelt gratitude to all our sponsors for your invaluable support in making this quiz competition possible. Your generous contributions have not only helped us bring events to life, but also created a platform for young minds to shine and showcase their talents. Thank you for believing in the power of education and for investing in the next generation of thinkers and problem solvers. Your sponsorship goes beyond financial assistance. It's an investment into the future. Without your support, this event would not have been the success that it is today. We truly appreciate your commitment and partnership in making this quiz competition an inspiring and exciting and enriching experience for all. Thank you to all our sponsors. And this year's sponsors are KNUST E-Learning Center. They are responsible for all our media and video coverages. We are very, very grateful. At E-Learning, we say just a click. To the Institute of Distance Learning, they are the ones who are providing the venues that we are having the contest across the nation. I guess you are in Kwabenya. This is one of our facilities. We want to say thank you to the IDL for helping us with the venues. At IDL, we say lifelong learning is an essential key for development. To DEXT Technologies, We say practical science is now practical. Thank you for making our technology round, the challenge a reality. We know that you will always be there and you make our round exciting. To multi-credit savings and loans, a heartfelt gratitude. Thank you for all the juicy prizes that you are giving to the contestants who will win in the various categories for this year's competition. Your generous contribution has indeed been a cornerstone to our success. To Ghana National Petroleum Corporation, thank you for impacting life. To Steady Yes, thank you for coming on board. To Pizza Man, Chicken Man, we look forward to the wonderful meal packages. As Pizza Man and Chicken Man, we say good food lives here. To Fonjoy Images, thank you for your sponsorship and thank you for keeping our memories alive. To our media partner, finally, Kesben TV, a very, very big thank you for telecasting this program live. I sit in Kumasi, moderating a quiz in Kwabenya, and yet the whole Ghana can hear my voice. Everybody can see what we are doing. It is all because you made it possible. Thank you for amplifying our reach and impact. Thank you for partnering with us. At Kesben, we say, Obiabe Didi. That means that everyone will have a share. Dear viewers, dear participants, dear interest parties, remember that the Junior Science and Maths Quiz program is tailor-made for learners in the junior high school to enable them exhibit their understanding of the basic principles underlying the life sciences and the physical sciences. It is expected to promote teamwork and critical thinking right from the early stages of their academic life. So it's a nurturing ground. Let us encourage our young ones to grow because this is just a new platform for them. This afternoon, I have here with me 3 schools. And I would love the contestants for the 3 schools to introduce themselves as I mentioned their names. TAIFA Community 3 Basic School represented by...
I go by the name Ruby Zotobi, representing TAIFA Community 3 Basic School. I'm in Basic 9.
Wow. Can I hear from Boateng? Yes.
I go by the name Sidel Boateng Saki Frempoma, and I'm representing TAIFA Community 3. I am in Basic 8.
Wow, so today we have 9 and 8. Yesterday was a competition of the 9s. Today we have a 9 and 8. Can I have the representatives for KAF International School kindly please mention your names?
My name is Imi Amabless Chopin, and I represent KAF International School. I'm in Basic 9.
My name is Zelda Quiz, and I represent KAF International School, and I'm in Basic 8.
Wow. Can I have the contestants from Joyful Home Montessori School?
I'm Yasmin Tosu from Joyful Home, and I'm in Basic 9.
Jocelyn Mensah is my name. I'm representing Joyful Home Montessori School, and I'm in Basic 9.
Wow. So this afternoon, are you observing what I'm observing? This afternoon is a girl power. It's girls on show. And I think I'm really going to enjoy this contest. A round of applause to all our girls this afternoon. Oh, the guys, do it for us, do it for us. We have done well. So this afternoon, my name is Dr. Mesesia Santuel. I am a senior lecturer at the Faculty of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences, the Department of Pharmaceutics. And I am your honorable quiz mistress for this afternoon. Oh, why? No round of applause for me. I've introduced myself. Okay, so thank you so much. We will take some general rules before I go to the specific rules for the various rounds. This afternoon, we are going to use buzzers to do a lot of work. Buzzers will determine how bonuses will be answered and how the fastest finger and the riddles is going to be answered. So this afternoon, can I please hear the buzzer from TAIFA Community 3 Basic School? Thank you. KAF International School, your buzzer, please. Joyful Home Montessori, please, your buzzer. Please listen carefully. These are the rules governing your buzzer. For your main question, you don't need to press the buzzer. Just answer the question. But please, if a school is answering its main question, the two schools would have to wait for them to exhaust their 2 attempts or until the time is up before you can press your buzzer to compete for the bonus. Please, you understand me? Okay. And please, when you are speaking into the microphone, don't cover the tip of the microphone with your hands. Just hold the stem gently and make your submission. So with holding the stem gently and making your submission, I bring you to round 1 of the contest. This round 1 deals with fundamentals. It consists of biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT questions. If any school answers a question correctly, they get 3 points. If it's incorrectly answered, it becomes available as a bonus to the 2 other schools to compete for. So in this competition, we don't pass bonus on. If you think you know, you press the buzzer and answer. The bonus will also attract 1 mark. Schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations, 40 seconds to answer questions that require calculations. Each school will have a maximum of 2 attempts for their main question and 1 attempt for a bonus question. Bonus questions are open to the 2 other schools to compete for by ringing the buzzer. Failing to press the buzzer before answering the bonus question will nullify your answer. That is no point is scored even if you are right. So this afternoon, best wishes to all the competing schools. With this, I come to question 1. It's a preamble to all the schools. Explain the following concepts related to internet security. Question 1, TAIFA 3 Basic School. Phishing. Yes, the time is up. Okay, so no one makes the attempt. So when we say somebody is phishing on the internet, it's an attempt to steal sensitive information by disguising yourself as a trustworthy entity. Okay? KAF International School, encryption. Okay, Joyful Home Montessori School, firewall. Firewall. Okay, a round of applause to our contestants. So a firewall monitors and controls network traffic to protect against threats, okay? So question 2 is a preamble to all the schools. Classify the following changes as chemical or physical change. 1 attempt and no bonus is given in this round. KAF International School, chopping wood.
A physical stage.
Physical change, it is for 3 points. Joyful Home Montessori School, freezing juice.
A
physical change.
Yasmin, a physical change it is. For 3 points. TAIFA Community 3 Basic School. Burning paper.
A chemical change.
It's a chemical change. For 3 points. Preamble to all the schools states the role of the following enzymes: Joyful Home Montessori, Thailand. TAIFA Community 3 Basic School, trypsin. KAF International School, lipase.
Lipase is used to break down fats.
She has answered one part of the question. Yes, it breaks down fats. It breaks it into what and what. So for saying it breaks down fats, I'll give you 1 out of 3. So for Thailand is found in the mouth. It converts starch or carbohydrate into maltose. Then trypsin also converts protein into peptides in the stomach. Thank you. So question 3 is also a preamble to all the schools. Explain the following. TAIFA Community 3 Basic School. Why objects appear to be of different colors? Okay, KAF International School. Why a spinning ice skater can increase their rotation speed by pulling in their arms? Okay, to Joyful Home Montessori, how a nuclear reactor produces energy. Okay, a round of applause to our contestants. Please, to our contestants, once the answer comes into your mind, you say it, because I could clearly hear some answers from your mouth, but you were not speaking to us. Just say it. If you are wrong, nobody will catch you. If you are right, you will score. Please, you understand me. So for the first question, the object absorbs certain wavelengths of light and reflects others. The color is the light that is reflected by the object. That's why we see that color. Then why will a spinning ice skater increase their rotation by pulling their arms? When the skater reduces the moment of inertia by pulling in their arms, the rotation speed increases to conserve angular momentum. Then the last question, nuclear reactors will produce energy because there is nuclear fission. That is, the heavy atom will divide, and as it divides into smaller nuclei, it releases energy that becomes heat that can be used to generate electricity. So let's do question 5. Preamble to all the schools. Factorize completely. TAIFA Community 3 Basic School. 121k to the power 2 minus 64. So it's k squared. Okay, 121k squared minus 64. Okay, KAF International School. 81x squared minus 4. School. 144x squared minus 9. TAIFA Community 3 for a bonus.
X is equal to 3.
Wrong. So when we say factorize completely, the first question, 121k squared minus 64, to get 11k plus 8 in one bracket, 11k minus 8 in another bracket. The second question, 9x plus 2 in one, 9x minus 2 in the other. The last question, 12x plus 3 in one bracket into 12x minus 3 in the other. A preamble to all the schools. The following questions are statements. You are to state whether they are true or false. These questions cannot be passed as both. Joyful Home Montessori School. Doda is a plant parasite. True or false?
True.
True it is for 3 points. TAIFA Community 3 Basic. Trypanosomiasis is a disease transmitted by Aedes mosquito. True or false?
False.
False is Sidel. KAF International School. The causative organism of malaria is paramecium. True or false?
True.
Oh, Mimi, false. It's plasmodium, not paramecium. TAIFA 83 Basic. In a standard deck of 52 playing cards, the probability of drawing a hat is 1/4. True or false?
True.
True for 3 points. KAF International School. The probability of rolling an even number on a standard 6-sided die is 1/3. True or false?
False.
You already bailed out. The answer was on your mouth. We're bailed out. So even if they came after the bell. Joyful Home Montessori School. Probability of rolling a number greater than 4 on a standard 6-sided die is 1/3. True or false?
False.
True it is for the answer. With this, we come to the end of round 1 of our contest. We will patiently wait for our score masters to give us the scores. And we still want to acknowledge our sponsors, KNUST E-Learning Center, KNUST IDL, Dex Technologies, Multi-Credit Savings and Loans, GNPC, Ghana National Petroleum Commission, SteadyX, Pizza Man, Chicken Man, Ponjo Images, to our media partner, Kesben TV, we want to say thank you. Okay, so we take the scores. At the end of round 1, these are the scores. In no particular order, please. Joyful Home Montessori School, 6 points. KAF International School, 7 points. TAIFA Community 3 Basic School, 6 points. So we now move to round 2 of our contest. It is the fastest finger round. One question will be read out and contestants will compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. When a contestant is ready to respond, they should press the buzzer before they attempt to answer. If you answer before pressing the buzzer, you will be disqualified and the school will not have an opportunity to answer the question. After the buzzer is pressed, contestants, you must answer the question in 3 seconds. If the school gets the question wrong, the 2 remaining schools get the opportunity to compete to answer. Remember, in this round, a wrong answer will attract a penalty of 1 point from your already gained marks. So at this point, best wishes to all. Therefore, round 2, first question. A substance that acts as both an acid and a base is called TAIFA Community 3?
A neutral substance.
No. It's an amphoteric substance. Question 2. The process of converting data into a form that can be processed by a computer is known as TAIFA Community 3?
Data processing.
No. Encoding is the answer. The inhalation and exhalation of carbon dioxide in mammals is known as KAF International School.
Respiration.
The answer I have here is different, but I think respiration is right. Please give us 1 minute. A round of applause. So I have a little moment to clarify.
ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. At first, the study of science was chew, pour, pass, and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest, and I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and 6 a child is able to have all this at the back of their mind and be hands-on, then the future is bright.
Science Sets has been the game changer for Solomon Bennett Memorial as a school.
Our cherished and distinguished alumni and ever-supportive stakeholders of our great university, the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, thank you very much for the privilege and the honor to come your way briefly with a few thoughts on the KNUST Day of Giving. This is a special day to honor, appreciate, and celebrate the hen that laid the golden eggs after 70 years of existence and global impact. On Friday, the 6th of October 2023, we shall all show our appreciation to KNUST by making financial donations to the university towards a noble cause in an innovative online fundraising initiative that is dubbed the KNUST Day of Giving. Our target is to raise 200 million Ghana cedis to build a 2,000 bed space hall of residence at KNUST to solve one of the biggest problems of our students and management: accommodation on campus for students. I am therefore calling on the magnanimity of all alumni, industry, and business partners, staff, students, and all friends of KNUST to kindly make financial donations electronically in any major currency on the KNUST Day of Giving. I am extremely pleased to announce to you that you are an automatic champion for this great and noble assignment. Please let us endeavor to rally as many people as possible to create this big supporting wave to make a huge impact on this global KNUST Day of Giving. No donation is too small. Thanks so very much, and do stay blessed for deciding to give to support the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. KNUST Day of Giving. Please do not be left out. Hashtag KNUST Day of Giving. Thank you.
Wow. Thank you so much. A round of applause to all our contestants. So, after further deliberations, that particular question is cancelled. So we'll add another question so that it will be a full set. Let's continue. The preamble still holds. It's still the fastest finger round, and let the fastest brain win. Please listen carefully. An arrow is facing east. You turn it 90 degrees clockwise, 180 degrees anti-clockwise. $270 degrees clockwise. Then 360 degrees anti-clockwise. In which direction will the arrow be pointing? KAF International School.
West.
West it is for 3 points. 4 points, 4 points. A light wave has a frequency of 5 times 10 raised to the power 14 hertz and a wavelength of 600 nanometers. Calculate its speed. So the answer is 3 times 10 raised to the power 8 meters per second. The fourth discovered state of matter is the fourth discovered state of matter is called plasma. Listen carefully. The dash protects the embryo from mechanical injury and shocks. It is the amniotic fluid. Solve the following equation. 0.75 times x is equal to 75%. What is the value of x? KAF International School, Zelda.
X is equal to 100.
X is equal to 100 for 4 points. The last question for the fastest finger. Give the simple equation for aerobic respiration. The simple equation for aerobic respiration. TAIFA Community 3.
C6H12O6 plus O2 giving us CO2 plus H2O plus
I will give you okay. So the equation is C6H12O6 plus 6O2. You did not balance your equation. It will give you 6 carbon dioxide and 6 water. Your equation was not balanced. Okay, so with this, we come to the end of round 2. That is the fastest finger. We will again wait for the scores for the day. Then we will acknowledge our sponsors. A big thank you once again to our major sponsors, the E-Learning Center of KNUST, the IDL, that's the Institute of Distance Learning, DES Technologies. We want to say thank you to Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited, Ghana National Petroleum Corporation, SteadyX, Pizza Man Chicken Man, Fonjo Images, and our media partners, Kesben TV. Once again, thank you so much. So, at the end of round 2, these are the scores in no particular order, please. TAIFA Community 3 Basic School, -3. KAF International School, 8. Joyful Home Montessori, 0. Of the second round, these are the total scores. 3, 6 points, and Joyful Home Montessori, 6 points. Please, a round of applause to our contestants. So we now please, I will take the scores once again. In no particular order, round for round 2. TAIFA Community 3 Basic, -3. KAF International School, 8. Joyful Home, 0. So at the end, the total score stands at TAIFA Community 3, 6 points. KAF International, 12 points. Joyful Home Montessori, 6 points. A round of applause, please. And with 6 points, we move to round 3 of our contest. For round 3 of our contest, TAIFA would want to make a substitution. Ruby goes out for Saki to come in. Please, a round of applause for Ruby. Thank you for sitting in and participating. Saki, you are welcome to today's contest. Please, a round of applause to help Saki settle in. A round of applause. Okay, so round 3. One question will be given to all the schools. The question in this round will require the contestants to perform a task that will be assessed. The score for this round is 10 points. Contestants will be given up to 10 minutes to complete the task. Round 3 is powered by DEX technologies. So, to my contestants, when I read the question, make sure you have all the components that are being mentioned. You have been provided with a battery labeled D. Please, do you have the battery labeled D? Respond to me, please. Do you have it?
Yes.
A buzzer labeled B. Do you have it? A cuboid-like material labeled C. Do you have C? And a paper clip. Do you have the paper clip? Oh, respond to me. I want feedback. You have it?
Yes.
Okay, so listen to your task. Construct a circuit by connecting B to D and observe what happens. Add C to the circuit by touching the positive wire to one end and the negative to another. Observe what happens. Task 3. When done, replace the C with a paper clip and repeat the process in task 2 and observe what happens. These are your related questions. Write down your observations in tasks 1, 2, and 3. Question 2, what materials do you think C and the paper clip are? 3, mention 2 properties of each of the materials mentioned in question 2 above. So, with this, I declare the tech challenge round duly open. Start work.
Next. Okay, so now. Let's use pencil. Let me use my nicer red. Let's see what happens inside there. So you do it again. The first one, the second. That's it. Alice. It has fun.
Okay, my dear contestants, you have 4 minutes more to complete your task. 4 good minutes more. Wow, contestants, your time is up. Kindly put your pens down. You heard the bell, so please put your pens down. Our score masters will pick your sheets and they will transmit what you have done to me. Then I will read out the scores. So while we wait for your scores, we still want to say thank you to all our sponsors and thank you so much to our contestants for performing this task for round 3.
Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology is a beacon of academic excellence in Ghana. In an era where education transcends traditional boundaries,
Wow, a warm welcome back to our viewers online, our contestants, and to the audience. We've had an exciting tech round, and I've been given all the work that the contestants did, and it has been interesting. So the question that they had actually was just about electricity conduction, okay? So we are looking at insulators and conductors. And that was what their work was about. So they were supposed to perform a task by doing some connections. In task 1, when they connect, they were supposed to hear the sound on the buzzer. Then for task 2, they will hear no sound. Then task 3, the sound will come again. So if they were able to do all the 3, they will get 3 points. That is 1 point for each. Then in question 2, they were supposed to ascertain what they were supposed to mention what materials C and the paper clip are. C was meant to be an insulator or a non-conductor. Then the paper clip was a conductor. Then they were supposed to mention 2 examples each of a conductor, then 2 properties of a conductor, and 2 properties of an insulator. And that would have also given 2 points for each. That would be 4 then. So the total will be a 10. So this is how the various schools performed. In no particular order, KAF was able to get 2 points in the first set, though the task was not accurate. They did not answer question 2 and question 3. So in all, they scored 2 points over 10 for the tech round. TAIFA community also scored 2 points for question 1, all the 3 points for question 2. But question 3, they were supposed to mention 2 each. You mentioned 1, 1. So they scored 7 over 10. Then Joyful Home also scored 2 points. Task was not explained. They did not do anything for question 2 and question 3. So they scored 0 there. So the total points scored for Joyful Home was also 2 over 10. So we will take the scores at the end of round 3. At the end of round 3, the score stands as TAIFA Community 7 points, KAF International 2 points, Joyful Home Montessori 2 points. So at the end of the round 3, these are the total scores. Joyful Home 8 points, KAF International 14 points, TAIFA Community 3 Basic School 13 points. And with 13 points, we now move to round 4, the last round of the competition. So, for round 4, we have substitutions. KAF International School, Mimi goes out, Christiana comes in. For Joyful Home, Yasmin goes out, Samuel comes in. Please, a round of applause to our contestants who are going out and those coming in. The audience, do me that favor. A round of applause to the contestants. Why they can't hear? Please, are we seated? Yes, so a round of applause to our contestants who went out. Please, a big round of applause. And a round of applause, a round of applause to the contestants who just sat down. So please clap for them so they can settle in. Okay, round 4 of the contest. This is the riddles round. This question will be read out as a series of clues. If the question is answered on the first clue, 6 points. It's answered correctly on the second clue, 5 points. On the third clue, 4 points. On the fourth and any other, 3 points. You have only one attempt to answer the question. Contestants, you are to press the buzzer before attempting to answer the question. Failure to press the buzzer before answering disqualifies you from that question, and it nullifies your answer even if it is correct. So at this point, may we hear the buzzers again? So Joyful Home, can you please press your buzzer? TAIFA, can you please press your buzzer? And finally, KAF, can we hear your buzzer? Thank you. Riddle 1. I represent numbers in a way that is easy to read, especially big or small. Scientists use me to simplify calculations with huge values. I am written as x times 10 raised to the power n, where n shows how many times the decimal moves, and x is a real number. Examples of me include 3 times 10 raised to the power 6, or 4.5 times 10 raised to the power negative 2. Who am I? KAF International School.
Standard form.
Standard form it is for 3 points. Since they answered it on the fourth clue. Riddle 2. I am a single-celled organism. I move by changing shape, extending my pseudopods. You can find me in water or moist environments. TAIFA Community 3.
Amoeba.
Amoeba it is for 4 points. Riddle 3. I am found in every molecule. In a molecule, I represent a pair of atoms put together, each sharing an electron. I am the fourth. KAF International School.
An element.
No. I am the force that binds a subtle rule. Without me, many of your favorite compounds would not exist. Who am I? TAIFA? I can't hear.
Ionic bond.
Oh, wrong. I think you were almost there. It's a covalent bond. We said atoms. We said it's atoms. We didn't say ions. You see, it's a covalent bond. So we take our riddle for the last riddle for the contest. I am a peripheral device. I am used in video calls and voice recordings. I input sound into the computer. I convert sound waves into digital signals. I am essential. KAF International School. The microphone. The microphone, it is for 3 points, since it was answered on the fourth clue. With the microphone and with 3 points, I come to the end of round 4. Thank you and congratulations to all our competing schools. Thank you. To our sponsors once again, we extend our heartfelt gratitude for all your sponsorship and invaluable support. As we wait for the results, may I still take some time to acknowledge our sponsors, the KNUST E-Learning Center. They are responsible for all our media and video coverages. We are so grateful. E-learning is just a click. KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, thank you for making Kwabenya Learning Center available for our contest today. We appreciate you so much. At IDL, lifelong learning is essential key for development. Today's technologies, today our technology round was made possible by you. Thank you. Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited, a heartfelt thank you for all the juicy prizes that you are bringing on board this year to the competition. And I hope you are going to give the quiz masters and the quiz mistress also some rewards. To Ghana National Petroleum Corporation, thank you for impacting lives. SteadyX, thank you for coming on board this year to help us with our competition. Pizza Man, Chicken Man, thank you. We are looking forward to the wonderful meal packages that you are providing. Fonjo Images, thank you for sponsorship. Thank you for keeping memories alive. To our indefatigable media partner, Kesben TV, thank you. I sit in Kumasi comfortably, and I'm telecasting straight to Kwabenya, the power of technology. Thank you, Kesben TV, for telecasting the program and for amplifying our reach and our impact. Please, help me also give a round of applause to the team that are supporting us digitally, the e-learning traveling team, Oscar and your team. A big thank you to the E-team on ground in KNUST. We also appreciate you so much. To all the quiz mistresses and the moderators who have been helping with quiz moderation and also with the questions, we want to say thank you once again. So we now take our scores. At the end of round 4, these are the scores. TAIFA Community 3 Basic School, 4 points. KAF International School, 6 points. And Joyful Home Montessori, 0. So at the end of the contest, these are the total scores. Joyful Home Montessori Schools, 8 points. TAIFA Community 3 Basic School, 17 points. KAF International School, 20 points. And with 20 points, we declare KAF International School as the winners of the 3rd contest of the 2nd day contest in the regionals of Accra. Thank you so much. So we've come to the end. Congratulations to KAF International. Ladies and gentlemen, teachers, participants, online viewers, we have come to the end of an exciting and inspiring contest. I hope you agree with me. Today we witnessed just not a display of knowledge, but also teamwork, determination, and passion for learning, which makes events like this so special. To our contestants, you've all done a yeoman's job. Whether you answered every question or faced challenges, your courage to compete, think critically, and showcase your skill is truly commendable. Dear ladies, remember, learning is continuous, and every experience today will help shape your future. We express our gratitude to the teachers, parents, and coaches who supported and guided these young minds, as well as the mobile and grounds team who made this event run smoothly. A special thank you once again to our sponsors. Finally, congratulations to our winners, KAF International School, and to all our participants. Keep pushing the boundaries of your curiosity and creativity. And I hope today's quiz has inspired you to continue exploring the fascinating world of science and maths. Thank you for being part of this wonderful event. Have a wonderful and a fantastic evening. Thank you.
The ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pour, pass, and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest, and I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and 6 a child is able to have all this at the back of their mind and be hands-on, then the future is bright.
Science sets has been the game changer for Solomon Bennett Memorial as a school.
Our cherished and distinguished alumni and ever-supportive stakeholders of our great university, the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, thank you very much for the privilege and the honor to come your way briefly with a few thoughts on the KNUST Day of Giving. This is a special day to honor, appreciate, and celebrate the hen that laid the golden eggs after 70 years of existence and global impact. On Friday, the 6th of October 2023, we shall all show our appreciation to KNUST by making financial donations to the university towards a noble cause in an innovative online fundraising initiative that is dubbed the KNUST Day of Giving. Our target is to raise 200 million Ghana cedis to build a 2,000 bed space hall of residence at KNUST to solve one of the biggest problems of our students and management: accommodation on campus for students. I am therefore calling on the magnanimity of all alumni, industry and business partners, staff, students, and all friends of KNUST to kindly make financial donations electronically in any major currency on the KNUST Day of Giving. I am extremely pleased to announce to you that you are an automatic champion for this great and noble assignment. Please let us endeavor to rally as many people as possible to create this big supporting wave to make a huge impact on this global KNUST Day of Giving. No donation is too small. Thanks so very much, and do stay blessed for deciding to give to support the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. KNUST Day of Giving. Please do not be left out. Hashtag KNUST Day of Giving. Thank you.